Yo, what up, squad? It is cold out here in New England, and man, I just came from a awesome meeting with one of the coaches that I'm going to be working with, and we were just discussing like certain things that we are bringing to the Boston area, not just primarily the Boston area, but global, because we are worldwide. Andy, what I wanted to talk about today, the topic of the discussion today is going to be frustration. There's certain points in your career or in your journey where you're just going to get frustrated a ton. And I am in the proponent of everything is a cause and effect of itself. The reason you're frustrated, which is good, is because you have a goal that you are aspiring to, right? And you don't want to quit or give up, right? Because we are anti-quitting and give up. You just want to ride the tide because everything operates by law. And one of the laws is the law of rhythm, right? You cannot have a summer without a fall, and you can't have a spring without a winter. You can't have frustration without something that you're aspiring to. So the fact that you are frustrated is because you are going up with the tides. You can't have a high without a low, and you're not going to jump from high to low. It's just a tide, right? So you're going up with the wave, and then you're going to go down with the wave. So just ride the wave. Continue to surf that and get going towards your goals, and you're going to see your results. Just know that as you're riding that high euphoric wave, you're going to slowly come down. But then once you're low again, just know that there's going to be a high point, and just continue to ride the wave. But keep your eye on your target. All right, do not ever take your eye off your goal, because when you take your eye off your goal, what you're making room for is for outside influences. Everything that you are aiming towards comes from within. Everything outside is just a reflection of your inside thoughts. So do not let any outside influences disrupt you on your way towards your goal. One's outside disruptors is just constantly listening to other people's opinions of what you have going on. So any goal that you have set for yourself, keep that to yourself, because the only person that goal matters to is you. Everything else doesn't really matter. All you're waiting for is for you to bring that goal into the physical. And what you're doing is raising your level of awareness. Everything is awareness. We do not know exactly how we're going to get to that goal, how we're going to get to that target, unless we become aware of it. All right. Once we become aware of that ideal, that's when we set a new ideal. All right. So once one ideal is realized, we set a new one and a new one until we hit that self-actualization, that self-realization, that we are one with the universe. That's pretty much it. Your frustration is normal, and your frustration is natural. Like by law, the law of your being is to constantly strive for progress, right? You're frustrated because you do not see that progress immediately. Now, it's good because a goal that you cannot see is a worthy goal. A goal that you know how to do and know how to achieve is not a goal at all. It's just an objective, all right? So keep your eyes on that primary goal, even if you do not know how to achieve it. It's good that you don't know how to achieve it. What you're doing is raising your level of awareness so that you can realize that ideal. Once it's realized again, you set a new one. All right. So that's why we want to set our goals to the moon, like a very irrational goal. And then once we realize that goal, set a new one. And then that's how the world around us changed. That's how we change the world. We change the world first from within, and then everything around us change. The way, in order for things to change, in your life, you have to change the way that you look at things. All right, keep that in mind. So that was a question from a guy in my coaching group, and hopefully that answers his question. And basically, once you solve somebody's problems, you're solving a ton of people's problems. Right? So my goal is to solve as many problems as I possibly can. So hopefully that solves why you're feeling frustrated. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below and we'll continue this discussion. Because as we repeat and continue to repeat these thoughts and ideas to ourselves, we start to realize more, become more aware. Anyway, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. Peace.